So, may I know your name and experience journey, sir?
I am Professor Manish Srivastava. I am a professor of English and former registrar of Guru Ghasidas Central University at Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. And I have been teaching since last more than 34 years.
So, any particular phase you suffer in this teaching line from students or parents you can share with us?
Well, any particular phase, if you say, in higher education institutions, they are numerous. They are not one or two or three. They are numerous and each is challenging. One particularly I remember, and there I see the empowerment of education. One student, he came to BA first year class, and since I am teaching English, he came to English department. I was the head of the department. He was, after some days, he said, "Sir, I can't do with English," because he had come from a very, very rural background. His father was a farmer. So he was very unable. He was crying. He was in tears. Then we said, okay, no problem. Let's have 1 week with you and we'll see what can be done. After 1 week or 10 days so, he came back again. बोले, still sir, there is absolutely not possible. He spoke in Hindi. कि सर बिल्कुल नहीं हो पाएगा. मैं मर जाऊँगा सर. मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा हिंदी. English नहीं हो पाएगा. Then he said कि I would like to talk to your parent. He said, मेरे पापा तो खेत में काम करते हैं. तो उन समय कैसे मैं किसी पड़ोस से उसने बोलकर मोबाइल में बात कर रही. आई स्पोक टू हिज फादर ऑल्सो सेड, हम नहीं बता सकते कुछ, आप देखिए क्या है, जो आपके हाथ में है वो देख लीजिए एक बार. दिस वर्ड आपके हाथ में है, दैट मेड अ लॉट ऑफ इम्प्रेशन अपॉन मी एंड दिस बिकेम द बिगेस्ट चैलेंज. आई कंसल्टेड द होल ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट मेंबर्स, फैकल्टी मेंबर. वी ऑल spent our most of the time with that boy. Today he is in the National Law University. He is assistant professor of language there, and recently he visited UK also. There I see that education is very much capable of transformation, and that is what is required in the society. So transformation through education is, I think, the biggest thing that I have learned.
So, in which category you win this award?
A contribution to education.
And how are you feeling after winning this award?
Well, of course, it's really great that you are selected, you are awarded, because so far I have seen that there is a very deep scrutiny of our application. Many things were asked again and again. We had to rewrite and send the things to them. So if I deserve a place here amongst this all the great persons, I think I'm a privileged person and I'm really very happy.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for coming. Thank you.